Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen. Before I get started, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, now I know you asking yourself, what in the world? What are you doing? Listen, I have made thousands of dollars from this position right here. Laying in my couch, relaxing. Okay, now, I don't want to set this illusion that all I do is sit on my couch and make money. No, I work. Okay, but I market on Facebook, and literally thousands of dollars are accumulated through Messenger because I put up an engagement post about my opportunity. All right, I give value in what we have. Okay, and then I have them message me for info. All right, and I'm literally just going back and forth with people on Messenger all day. That doesn't require me to get out of bed. That doesn't require me to leave my couch. That doesn't require me to do any heavy lifting. It requires me to pick up my smartphone and respond to people, connect, give value. All right, see why they need to make some extra money. All right, it's really that simple, you all. Listen, I've made thousands upon thousands of dollars from this position right here. A lot of y'all who follow me on Facebook, y'all know, because I stopped doing it, but I used to post every time a commission came in. Sometimes it'd be like 7, 8, 9, 10 times in one day. All right, posting about another commission, and for multiple opportunities. People are like, what in the world is you doing? Making money online from home. Really that simple. All right, and I'm doing it from the comfort of my home, from the comfort of my couch, bed, wherever I choose. Like literally, wherever I choose. And that's the power of working from home, man. That's the power of working from home. Like, there's no limit, no cap on how much money we can make, and there's no rules. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to have, look, my hair not even brushed. Y'all know I'm the man with the waves. You can't see him right now. My hair ain't even brushed. Man, I'm in my bed, man, networking, talking to people, literally on social media. I just had a phone call that just came through. It's a business call. Right, I'm gonna get back to it right after this. All right, I should have put my phone on airplane mode, but I'm glad I didn't because I was waiting on that phone call. It didn't happen, so I went ahead and shot my video. But this is what I do, you all, and literally make money every single day, man, and for multiple opportunities. All right, like people say, you shouldn't have all these opportunities, but multiple streams is king, man, and it is super important. Now, you don't want to join 3 and 4 network marketing companies, but I got one network marketing company that I work, and I have affiliate programs that I'm a part of. Some that pay instant pay, some that pay daily. Some that pay weekly. All right, some that pay monthly. You know, those are the type of affiliate programs I'm associated with. And then I have my primary opportunity, which is my network marketing company. Link is below, www.paidinfull.biz. All right, but this is the life, man. You know what I'm saying? And it's only going to get better. All right, y'all continue to follow me, continue to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing these same videos from the beaches of the world. All right, I got Dubai on my bucket list. I have to go. All right, I have to go. Dubai is on the vision board. I'll be there. All right, shooting a video, making money in Dubai. All right, because the internet never sleeps. All right, the internet never sleeps. See, the thing about a 9 to 5 is they have a cutoff time. All right, and so you can only make money while you're there. All right, I can make money any time I want. All right, any day I want, as much as I want. All right, but you got to be willing to put the work in. That's why I say I want to set the illusion that, you know, you can just sit on your couch and make money. All right, you can, but there's some work that has to be put in. All right, I'm not one of these people that say, you know, you don't have to put in any work. That's insanity. All right, if a man don't work, he don't eat. But we work smart, not hard, and we do the right things, and we do them daily, and we stay consistent. Just because you're doing the right things one day, don't expect for the payout to happen right away. Continue to do the right things over and over and over, and eventually, all right, you're going to take off. Okay, so just want to drop a short video today, man. It's Friday. All right, I don't like to say Friday is payday because every day is payday for me, honestly. But it is payday for most of the world that only live in that corporate space and the employee space. And I encourage all 9 to 5 as employees to get you a side hustle, man. Get you a side hustle, because there's nothing like making money from the comfort of your home, from your couch. The biggest part is making money while you sleep. All right, y'all see the thumbnail. I'm knocked out on the couch, sleep. That is, listen, there's nothing more exciting than waking up and seeing a commission and you made it while you were asleep. Any entrepreneurs that's watching this right now, y'all chime in below. Isn't that the best feeling? Like it gets no better than that, than waking up, all right, and seeing commission. Sometimes I wake up 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, all right, I'm able to go get something to eat or go to the restroom or something. I end up checking the email and boom, boom, boom. You got people up at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning joining me in opportunities, buying this, buying that. It's a blessing. All right, it's a blessing. And I believe everybody in this world should be getting some type of extra income outside of their 9 to 5. All right, nothing wrong